On March 26, 2012, at about 2:45 p.m., at 32-083 Wells Fargo Road, in Thousand Palms, California, Eric Wolfgang, also known as Eric Werner von Joel, finished cutting a metal pipe that overextended the rear of the trailer. Carrie Young, a female friend of mine, had just arrived about 2:40 p.m. just as I finished cutting the pipe that belongs to Anthony, the owner of the trailer. Ampersand steel pipe. Carrie Young and I went inside to my bedroom. I was glad to see her again and wanted to spend some time with her. I hadn't seen or had any contact with her for the last 5 days. In my short conversation with Carrie, I asked her, "How did your week go since you've been away?" Carrie replied, "Not so good." At about this time, 2:45 p.m., I heard knocking. I went to check and see who was knocking. I couldn't see anyone standing outside the room's glass sliding door. I went outside to check and see who was knocking. I closed the door behind me. Officer Deputy Yamaguchi, number 3504, then approached me on the patio. The officer asked me, "So where you get the pipe from?" I replied, "It's from a yard cleanup that Anthony's doing in Cathedral City. I'm getting paid $50 to cut the pipe down for him, and he'll be coming back later to pick up the steel pipe and trailer." Officer Department Yamaguchi said, "Did you know that trailer is stolen?" I replied, "No." I was offended to the officer's question, and then stated to the officer, "But I can't cut pipe in my own driveway or what?" Officer Department Yamaguchi replied, "Well, you know what? That trailer is stolen and now you're under arrest, so turn around." I told the officer I didn't know the trailer was stolen and it wasn't mine, that it belonged to Anthony, who dropped it off here with the steel pipe for me to cut off. The officer asked me, "Who's Anthony and where is he at?" I replied, "I met him from the scrap yard and that he would be back later to pay me and pick up his stuff." At that point, 2 other officers arrived, Deputy Cheney, Deputy Stratton. The officers were smiling and laughing, making small talk, when Department Cheney approached me and said, "So, where did you get the pipe from?" I exercised my right to remain silent. I didn't answer the question since I was handcuffed and told I was under arrest. Officer Cheney said, "Oh, so we got a quiet one here." Then Officer Department Yamaguchi walked me to his patrol car, where he detained me in the back seat. About 15 minutes had passed and Department Yamaguchi took me to the Palm Desert station and quoted my Miranda rights to me. Once we arrived and I was in holding, I stayed silent, but being detained at the station. When the other 2 officers from the scene arrived at the Palm Desert station, Cheney asked, "Are you sure you don't want to answer any questions?" I replied, "What kind of questions?" I gave my statement to the officer about the pipe and trailer belongs to Anthony and stated the only details I recall is he works and lives in La Quinta. I met him at the scrap yard and he was paying me to cut the pipe for him. The officer asked me, "Where did the rifle come from?" I stated it was a relic long rifle that belonged to my father. I just got done cleaning it and restoring the blue finish. The officer said, "Did you know it was loaded?" I replied, "No." That was the end of the questioning. I was then transported to the Indio jail in Bukit